We're expecting the bump's pretty big. Yeah, let me get something I'm just going to feel like anything. We were looking for is our site datum, which is this piece of rebar here, and we laid out this rough rectangle, and we weren't perfect at all because the rest of it here, here, this makes a 5 meter by 2 meter rectangle. You use the edge of your trowel and that corner, occasionally the point. And what you can only do is scrape. Scrape, 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 scrape. And obviously what you're scraping is now covering up the heat. So you don't want that to go on for very long. You want a dustpan. Put it into the bucket. Off it goes.
And that's where we both are in the same place.
That's us.
That's us.
At that age,
Oh yeah, no.
going for your parents.
Okay.
That's a lot of it.
What time is it?
Take a look at this.
I know.
Got some bone.
Things like this, terracotta of some sort. We're going to leave it in the ground. We're going to try to, what we're going to do is we're going to dig down to this level, not deeper. So this is going to stay here for a while because we want to see everything around here. Remember the law of association.
Yeah.
We could be enthusiastic antiquarians and just want the thing, but we want to find out about the thing, which means we want to know about its surroundings. A lame sort of expression. Not what you find, it's what you find out. This is a screen, and you shake it, and dirt comes through. Anything that's bigger than the mesh stays in here, and we sort it out. Even though it is extremely unlikely that you're going to miss something with your trowel, we're still going to do this at least for a little bit so you get a sense of what the other parts of archaeological labor are all about. This kind of screening happens at every excavation now. Dry screening or wet screening where we wash it through with some sort of hose of water or something like that.
B3, level 1.
A lot is coming up and then having
There you go. Give it a shift. Oh, fantastic. Look at that. A live being.
It's an alien life form, maybe.
Whoa. Look how shiny that is.
Yes. That means high heat.
Ah. Those would be things you would put in your report.
Yes.
Now listen to that. You hear that?
Yeah.
Doesn't it sound hollow or something under there?
Oh, shit.
Does it? Now do it over there and see if you get the same sound. We have our first absolute date for the site. Oh! Over here we have an artifact marked with a date, and it tells us that this trench was done after 1867.
Like my sciatic nerve that goes down my body.
Yeah.
Or if it was maybe
dug up and cast aside, or
Yeah.
if it's just a skull, maybe.
Or nothing is ever just.
Wow.
That's awesome.
Because I wonder if the cut marks on the bone signify to me that it's not a part of the skeleton, but who knows, it could be.
Maybe it could be a forearm or a limb. And if there are cut marks, is it a human or is it an animal bone?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I guess we'll see more as we
Now,
go.
if it's cut marks on a human bone,
That would,
what questions would you ask that would be different than if it's cut marks on an animal bone?
if it was done through some kind of ceremony or through burial rites or something like that.
Good thinking. Good cannibalism.
Maybe.
Behold, rock, cool tile, little blue guy. Yeah. If I had a Sharpie, I'd label this, but I don't think I have a Sharpie. Actually, I might. There's a chance.
Something like that dark line over
Got the dark line here?
Yeah.
So almost every square has something in it right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to map the position of all these different things before we continue. There are a couple places where there is nothing to be mapped. The first piece I want to measure in is this. So I look here. There's 0. And this mark here, 10. Oops, you can't see me. 10. So it's 10 centimeters over, and from the white line, 33 centimeters out. This is a half meter, and it covers most everything. It covers the first half of it. It's easy now to see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 centimeters over, 1, 2, 20 plus centimeters. So this rock here is inside this square, this square, this square, and this square.
Okay.
At 9?
So she's going not inches, you want centimeters. We are entirely metric. So 24 centimeters from east to west, 24 centimeters that way.
So 24 centimeters this way?
Yes. This line here is this.
And you said each box is 10 centimeters?
Correct.
Okay, so this point.
This center spot is the longest bit that's overhanging.
Yeah.
Not quite.
4 to 9.
Say like 2.5. Oh, that's inches.
That's inches.
Screw me.
That's okay.
Like 6.
6.
You will go down 4 blocks. 1, 2, this one. 3,
Oh, where this
4.
one's right.
Oh, this is the one?
Yeah.
Okay, so you go down 4, and then you count over where it begins. 1, 2, 3. Oh, right in the 4th.
Right in the 4th?
Yeah.
So middle.
And then you like shade it.
And then,
2 into the 4th.
yeah, so you do 2.
Can we name this town around my mug? Yes.
But I guess we're not tracking it.
No, but I do see what you mean.
Lines. 50. It's definitely
Like, you know what I mean? Like the big box? How we count 10 of them? Bye-bye, Mom.
Here we have this circular arrangement of rock and obsidian, and it looks as if this dark stuff ends in a circular zone around here, which tells us what?
It was placed there.
This place there. What's the stratigraphic relationship of this stuff to this stuff? This is younger than this. This is a hole that was cut in from this layer into this layer and filled with this kind of sediment and these things. And we see that because of the difference in soil color and soil texture.
Wow, that's even better.
We've mapped all this in, and today what we're going to do is we're going to remove the things that are on the surface and see what's underneath them.
Spanish. Los Expos.
Is that an L? L-A-S? Are you sure? Because all we got right now is L-E over here. So Latin-based language, we got that. It could be Spanish. I think. Oh, yes.
That was
Oh
in
no,
that one.
Nos Exposerle. It's French. It's French.
It's French, so it's Spanish. But it's French.
It's Latin-based. Okay, it doesn't go there, but it's nearby to this.
I just requested special permission.
I did that too, but then I was like, you know what? Let's get that.
Ours looks different from that, but I feel like I've seen that one further down.
In this corner, they've taken out all of layer 2, the dark stuff. There seems to be this blue pottery in it, more of it in the next square, which is still layer 2 coming down on layer 3. So you should expect more of this.
Sorry, 68 centimeters long.
What do you want to hold this body?